Hi everyone, my name is Rahim Habib, live at ISE at the Smart VIP room. Today I would like to introduce you to the Sam Labs coding kit, or the Smart Coding Kit by Sam Labs. What this is a construction kit that lets teachers bring in coding and STEAM, which is science, technology, engineering, arts, and math, into the classroom. So what it consists of is basically a construction kit and an app. And essentially, a teacher can use this to build an example of specific tools or coding or STEAM examples that a teacher can introduce into the classroom. So I have a quick example here of a Mars rover, for example, which I can now connect and introduce to an app that's available to connect the different pieces together. So what I can do is now link the different pieces together to create a rover, if you will. And with this, I can actually turn it on and activate it and make it drive off. So with this action and this lever, I can actually move the rover, if you will. And really, this is an example of friction and movement and forces. So again, another way to introduce coding and STEAM into the classroom. So for more information, please go to www.smarttech.com. Thank you.